Magandang buhay, fresh graduate. Ngayon, number 4 segment na po tayo at salamat at lahat ng first 1 to 3 segments ay tinapos mo dahil wala naman siguro nagsasucceed sa buhay na 3 minutes lang. So, the fourth mostly asked question ay, why would we choose you from all other applicants? Diba? So, yon. Bakit nga ba? So, sasabihin mo, number 1, I am a fresh graduate and I am easily coached and teachable to last for a lifetime in this organization. And I would like to be an asset and strengthen my competencies in this organization as I easy to understand and easy to implement the things that are being taught to me. Number 1, I have all the idealism that a fresh graduate has. Number 2, I am a top 10 of the graduates. Kaya nga yun ang sinasabi ko, pag maganda ang grado mo, yan ang iyong passes for the acing unemployment or winning unemployment. On top sa lahat, ang sarap pakinggan na maganda ang grado mo at ikaw ay working student. Bakit? Bakit ka may edge over others? Kasi ang isang employer who is looking for a potential employee ay nakikita ang endurance, patience, and hardship mo to hurdle the life that you had. Yun ang sinasabi ko, punta ka dun sa aking Rich Mindset na playlist. Punta ka sa secrets on how to be rich. Nandun po sa playlist ko kung paano ka mag-win over sa life na ito. So, number 5 na question is, how do you see yourself being in this organization in 5-year time? So, tingnan mo ang mga potentials mo, like, I wish I can stay here kahit hindi mo gusto at gusto kang lumaya sa iba. Never ever say, I want to go abroad, I want to go for another corporation which would pay me more. Okay? So, never say that. Kahit gusto mong lumayas, na gusto mo ng greener pasture, and wag mong sasabihin, I want to learn more here, I want to be taught kung anong mga technique dito sa organization na to. Kasi maaamoy ka, nagagamitin mo lang ang company in order for you to progress in life. So you will say, I intend to be here until I retire and be able to be a blessing to this company and grow and build my competencies through training and education in the corporation. Alright? So, bala ka na. Meron niyang mga nakalagay dyan. Sunod. Ano ang time na pwede kang malalaman mo eh. Kasi pag mga ganun na ang questions, when are you available to get employed? Sana sa pag-a-apply mo na yan, wala ka pang nakuhang iba, 'di ba? So, you try to say kung meron kang employer pa, I am currently employed now, but if you can give me a 30-day notice from the time that you would consider me, so that I can be able to respectfully tell my current employer to leave the company. Alright? Now, kung meron ka, diba, anong sasabihin mo? Paano kung naka-employ ka nga? Or meron ka bang, is there any person whom you do not want during your, or teacher, or any mentor whom you do not want? Of course, you will not say that because that would be negative. Again, do not say anything negative to any past employer or any mentor or elder na nag-mentor sa'yo. So, if and when there is, do not say that. You would always say, I have learned so much from the mentors or the company that I am, kung current ka pa, working with, and I guess you can transfer all the technologies, competencies, and skills in this corporation of which you are right now employed. Another question is, what are the most painful or hurting things you experience in life? So, wag kang iiyak. You would always say, let us say you're an unwed mom. I had made mistakes in my decisions in life, but in these setbacks, the relationship did not work out, but I have learned so many lessons in it, and raising my child alone made me resilient. So, wag mong i-badmouth yung partner mo or kung sino-sino yung mga, kahit totoo na you had a very bad experience, never share that. But I will again repeat and repeat again for the last time, never tell any story of your life, any kind of stories, good or bad, not unless you will be asked kung ano yon. As regards being able to pass through life through a mentor or an idol, mas maganda kunin mo yon either sa parents mo, hindi dahil sa ibang tao, kundi within the family, para makita ng employer mo na napakataas ang value mo for faithfulness and loyalty to the member of a family na meron ka. So, nandoon na yun sa checklist mo, sa portfolio mo, kung paano mo aanswerin. Thank you for listening to this far, and I hope you enjoyed the segments. Salamat again, at please go back to the playlist kung paano ka mag-dress code, although I will be creating another segment for that. Bye.